Welcome to another Mountain Sleds video. Today I'm going to go over the process of snowmobile storage lubrication. I'm going to show the process of storage lubrication on a 2012 Ski-Doo Freeride 800R E-TEC, and I'll also show the process on a 2000 Ski-Doo Summit 700 Highmark. With the 800R E-TEC, I'll first have to start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature. Once it's reached normal operating temperature, I can then press the S button, enter odometer mode. Once in odometer mode, I can go ahead and flip the low and high beam switch while pressing the S button until push S appears on the display. Once push S has appeared on the display, I can then go ahead and stop pushing S, stop flipping the low and high beam back and forth, and then push S again until oil displays on the screen. Once oil displays on the screen, the lubrication mode is injecting oil into the engine. Once the lubrication mode has completed, the ECM will then shut off the snowmobile. Now that I've let the engine reach normal operating temperature, I can go ahead and make sure that I'm in my odometer mode, which I am. Now I want to go ahead and start flipping the high and low beam really fast, then hold the S button. Now it says press and hold S for oil. So now I'll go ahead and press and hold the S. Now it says oil, so now it's oiling. Once the storage has completed itself, the storage mode has completed itself, the ECM will go ahead and shut down the snowmobile. Now that the storage mode has completed and the ECM has shut down the snowmobile, I can go ahead and hook up my battery to my battery charger for the summer season. This way the battery doesn't discharge. Now I'm going to go over the procedure of storage lubrication for the 2000 Ski-Doo Summit 700 Highmark. On the Highmark, the service manual recommends that the airbox is removed and storage oil be sprayed into each carburetor. Then the airbox be reinstalled, the snowmobile started, and then revved up on RPM, and then storage oil sprayed into the airbox until the snowmobile cuts out or half a can of storage oil has been used. I'm going to take a different process for that, and I'm just going to allow the snowmobile to reach normal operating temperature. Then I'm going to push the oil injection lever and start injecting oil from the injector for a couple minutes, and then I will shut off the snowmobile and then spray oil into the cylinders and then give a couple pulls just to make sure it's lubricated, and that'll be the process for storage lubrication on this model. Now that I have my clutch guard removed and the belt removed, I can go ahead and start up the snowmobile, allow the engine to reach normal operating temperature. Then I will use a long screwdriver to push the oil injection lever and then start injecting oil into the engine. Now that I've completed the first step of the storage lubrication by opening the injector lever all the way open, I can move on to removing my spark plugs and spraying storage lubrication into each cylinder for 15 to 20 seconds. Then once that's completed, I can go ahead and put my spark plugs back in. Now that I've completed spraying storage lubrication into my cylinders, I reinstalled my spark plugs, torqued them down to 20 foot-pounds. Now I'll turn the engine over a few times slowly, just to make sure that they're nice and lubricated. Then I will reinstall my belt, reinstall my clutch guard. Now that I've completed the storage lubrication process, I can go ahead and move on to greasing any zerk fittings, washing and waxing, and applying any type of vinyl or leather conditioner to the seats, and the snowmobiles will be ready for storage during the summer season. I hope that you found this video helpful, and as always, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.